Hello students, welcome to Java practical classes. In this video, we will make few programs based on ternary operator. So let's start. First we will open BlueJ, and the programs which we are going to make today, first is write a program to assign 3 numbers and print the biggest number. About ternary operator we have already discussed in the previous video. So what is ternary operator? Ternary operator works on 3 operands. And what are these 3 operands? First operand is the condition. Second operand is the value which is executed if the condition is true. And the third operand is the value which is executed if the condition is false. So let's start making program. Assign 3 numbers and print the biggest number by using ternary operator. So first we will make a class. We'll give its name. Let it be biggest. Open it. First we will give class name biggest, then public static void main string args now we will take 3 variables and assign some value. Let it be ABC. In A we are giving 15, in B I am giving 20, C 30. Terminator. Then we will use ternary operator. We will take another variable x in which we will assign a value depending upon condition. And what is the condition? First we will check the first 2 variables, A greater than B, then question mark. If A is greater than B, then A should be assigned into x, otherwise B should be assigned into x, then terminator. Fine. In this case, if we consider A is 15 and B is 20, so 15 greater than 20, condition will be false. So which value will be assigned into x? B. And what is the value of B? 20. So 20 will be assigned into x. Another variable, let it be z or y, you can take any variable name. X greater than C. Now we will compare x with the third variable C. If x is greater than C, the value of x will be assigned into z, otherwise C will be assigned into z. Fine. Suppose here the value of x will be 20. Now 20 will be compared with 30. 20 greater than 30? No. So which value will be assigned? 30. So 30 will be assigned into z. Now we will display the biggest number. System.out.println biggest number is, you can give some space or equal sign, you can give z. Fine. Close the main function, close the class. Now we will compile it. No syntax error. Now we will run it. Right click, void main. Okay, biggest number is 30, so answer is correct. Fine. Now the second program we will see. The second program is write a program to print whether assigned alphabet is lowercase or uppercase. Fine. So for this again I will make a class alphabet open it, Control A, delete. Class, we have already given the name alphabet, the same name I will take here. Then public static void main, string args array, main function open. Now we need to take a variable of char type, char x, in which I am assigning a variable or value c, in which I am assigning value. X is a variable, fine, and c I have assigned in x. Now string r equals to, now the condition is if x greater than equals to small a and operator, x less than equals to z. Fine. Then what should I assign? Lowercase. Otherwise, we need to close the lowercase string. Otherwise, uppercase. Terminator. What is the meaning of this? We are applying the condition if x is char type variable. Whatever we have assigned the value into x, we will check that value. If that value is greater than equals to a and less than equals to z, both should be true. Means it should lie between a and z. Fine. If this is the true condition, if the value of this is true, then lowercase will be assigned into r, otherwise uppercase will be assigned into r. Now in this case value of x is c, so c lies between a and z, so condition is true, so lowercase will be assigned into r. So lowercase is a string, that's why we have defined this r as a string. Fine. Now we will display system.out.println alphabet is r. Main function close, class close. Let's compile it. No syntax error. Let's run it. Alphabet is lowercase. Fine. If you give the space here, it will show you space also. And if you take any character in capital, let's see, it should display uppercase. So compile it again. Right click, main, alphabet is uppercase. I hope it is clear. Now the last program, to assign percentage marks of a student and print pass or fail, and the condition is if the percentage is greater than equals to 40, then the message will be pass, otherwise fail. So I am making another class. Which class? Marks. Now class is marks public static void main string args. Now int, I am taking m for marks 80. We will not write percentage, okay, we will just give the number, and number will be of int type, that's why I have taken int type. Now we will display system dot out dot print, or println you can take, m greater than equals to 40. Condition was if m greater than equals to 40, then pass, otherwise fail. Fine. Then the main function close, then the class close. Okay, you can directly give this condition in a system.out print, or you can assign it into the another variable, then you can print it. Both I will show you. First we will see this. Compile marks pass. 80 था percentage, तो it is showing pass. Fine. Now if you wish, another way is, okay, string r or result you can take. In this way also you can write. Fine. String r. First you will assign into r. No need to give bracket, then you can remove the bracket. If you give, then it is okay, but not necessary to give. Fine. Okay. Then display it system dot out dot print. Result is with message also you can display. He is, or result is, whatever you wish. Result is space, what shall I display? R, because we have assigned into R. R will be string type because pass and fail are of string type. Fine. Semicolon. Compile it, and then we will run it. Result is pass. I hope it is clear. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching.